Alright, so just a thought. I pulled out the educator. If the pressure in the system was causing the float to fail, any bit of back pressure, because we're going from 3/4 down to a 1/4 fitting, which is probably, I mean, it's tiny. It's probably just under a 1/4 inch. Let's fire it back up with very little restriction, and we'll see how it does. It's going obviously 4" to 2" down to 1" and then 3/4 inside the kettle. Again, now there is no educator in there, so maybe the back pressure is just too much for the float valve. In which case, the educator just may be a bust. I mean, it's not necessary to what I'm doing. So I'm gonna let this run for a few minutes, and we'll see if any change. Here we are, about 5-minute mark. No significant changes with the float. It seems like it's working just fine now. Again, a lot lower power steam because it's more free flowing. The only other option is I have another educator valve. This one's a 3/8. I may put this one on because the 3/8 looks just a hair over a 1/4 inch. 3/8 fitting. So I'll have to get another reducer from Ace Hardware, and then I'll give this one a shot. But at least we can say the steam generator works. The valve, there's nothing wrong with the flow valve, and I mean, I think we're good. I'm gonna let this run for a couple, probably 10-15 more minutes, just to kind of make sure that we're solid. Well, it's been a solid 10 minutes, and everything is stabilized. So I think the back pressure was definitely causing the float. One thing I did make was this kind of early, I haven't drilled it out yet, but was going to make a steam wand. I think I could turn this into a steam lance with a whole bunch of holes drilled all over it. I just need to orient it and figure out where the threads lock, and it's going to be the bottom. I think I might do that instead of the educator, because I don't know that I'll get the actual Venturi kind of motion that we need, and this might just be a total overkill or a waste if it's not actually going to use it. But overall, I'm going to call this a success. Nice.